to a wet Sunday morning at Drift Pro Day 2. Now lining up. Luckily, first event of the morning is Driftkhana. It is wet, it has rained through the night and it is a bit misty, so it'll be a good way for us to scrub in the new Zestinos that are on the back of this, and also then we can let the TCR cars and all the other cars go through later on today, hopefully drying up the right line for us to enter into this corner here. Luckily we are also taking a racing line as well through the majority of this, so that should make things a little bit easier. But I tell you what, it's going to be a very sketchy first lap, and I wonder how many of us are going to be going like Marcus did yesterday across this grass. So yeah, going to definitely be a test of the skill and a test of how good we can control this thing again under speed. But every day's a learning day for us at the moment, so yeah, carry on and have good fun. I'm about to get run over by a van, so yeah, see you on the other side.
Driftkhana champion.
There was zero grip, but the car's nice and warm now, so we're having fun. First lap, awful. Initiated far too early. Speed was all right. Martin's about to kill me, but yeah, went at it full gung-ho on the second one. Bit skiddier than I was expecting, so up the hill we ran out of grip altogether. But I think Del just told me that 7th at that point. Obviously, a few of the big boys have been again. But yeah, definitely was an eye-opener. Maybe a bit of swearing, you might have heard it, but happy with that. Beaming from ear to ear. Hopefully we'll be in the battles for this afternoon, and then we'll go out and see who we get out of this mad, crazy bunch of drifters. So that's top 16 for me, over and done with, unfortunately. So just been having a chat with Ollie Evans there, who I was up against, put in a decent lead line. I think obviously I initiated a little bit early, which I was a bit disappointed in myself about, but I'm happy. He even said I managed to pull a bit of length on him as well when I got the legs going on the LSZ. But I tell you what, when he led, he definitely gave me a school in what speed is. So I made a bit of a mistake. I started to drift around that first Graham Hill bend, and that then lost me some distance, and I tried my hardest to pedal and catch up, but unfortunately it wasn't going to be. So congratulations to Ollie. Hopefully he goes on to see good things this weekend. I'm going to get out my race suit, get the LSZ cooled off, and we'll go and watch some drifting. Hey guys, as you can tell, I'm not at the track anymore. Sorry, didn't get a chance to do a round up there. Got a bit carried away with watching the battles and the podiums and all this kind of stuff. So congratulations to Martin Richards on the double win, both Driftkhana and drifting. Well done, man, thoroughly deserved. But I'm actually sat in my LSZ now in the workshop after doing the unload. I'm tired, but just wanted to say an extra thank you to the Drift Pro Championship guys who organised a fantastic round one. Super impressed with the app and the website that went alongside with it. Everyone that I spoke to has had a great time. I definitely did. Super impressed as well with how well this thing performed. All the work that Tom and I did prior to the round, absolutely flawless. So yeah, now it's time to regroup and go and see Yogi over at Teesside, get a few laps in and prepare for round two. So we'll catch you then.